Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Steven. Let's get started. Today's English expression is, it's on me. Now, what does that mean exactly? It's on me?
To you from me, Pinky Lee.
Don't try that at home, by the way. Here's what it means. So for example, you and your friend or you and your family member go out to have dinner, just like this. Dinner is on me.
Oh, thanks very much. Thanks, Steve. Much appreciated.
Some people might think, it's on me? Doesn't that mean you are wearing your dinner? You are wearing the food? It means to buy your friend dinner. Dinner is on me. Ta-da! 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
And he'll say, yeah, sure, it's on me. Really? It's on you? Yeah, really, it's on me. Hey, everybody. Dinner is on me. Dinner is on me. Well, hopefully not the pie. But really, is dinner on you?
It's on me. It's still on me.
Yeah, dinner is on me today. It's on me. In TV, movies, face-to-face. Phone call, text message, you name it, you can hear it anywhere. And you can say it with anybody. It could be your friend, your family member, anybody. Now, what about this? What about some non-food examples? Two people, parents, buying their son or daughter a new car for school. Ooh, a new car.
Suspension, disc brakes on all four wheels.
The parents can say to the son or daughter, hey, this car is on us. Or how about someone buys me a new hat and my friend or someone says to me, hey, Steven, I would like to buy this new hat for you. It's on me. And then I can say, oh, gee, thank you. Thanks a lot. And by the way, no, it's not on you, actually. It's actually on me. Well, now it's on me. Now you know. This expression can be used anytime, anywhere English is spoken. It can be used for dinner, it can be used for gifts, and anytime, anywhere English is spoken. So this is Steven, and I just want to say, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time. So have a wonderful day. See you later.